everyone, it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a thrifted project for you, an upcycle. I was gifted this vest by a viewer and it is a heavy denim, really good fabric in a pretty berry blue color, and it is 100% cotton. It has a wonderful space on the back, and that's what I thought I would incorporate this vintage linen. I had picked this up at the flea market, and I've already used the top part of it for another project. It actually had that same embroidered design on both ends, and I've already used part of it. I cut a little bit of it off. I'm going to use that edging for the front. But I am super simple, keeping this just really easy, and just going to be attaching this to the back side, folding under that top raw edge and ironing that into place, and then I will also pin it. And then I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and I'm going to stitch the sides of this and then across the top. I'm going to leave the bottom open or free, and it's also extending off. The design's going to extend off and over the hem a little bit. Just really love the colors. It just really the exact blue, so it just fits really well there. I wanted to add some appliques to the top of this. It had some staining on it, and I want to cover that up. And I've already went ahead and I have Heat and Bond Light on the back side of these flowers. I'll sometimes do that when I'm watching TV or something. I'll just cut out a bunch of designs and then just keep them in my stash for future projects. And that's what this was. I had this and I thought the colors again just worked really well with this embroidered design. I'm going to be using this new Butterfly Bigs die that I had picked up after Thanksgiving. Sizzix always runs a big sale, and I picked up a few dies. And I'm going to be there's two different size butterflies. I'm going to be using both, one in a pale yellow, one in a pale blue. And that piece of little black there is for the bodies of these butterflies. And you'll see, once I run this through my machine, I'm going to be making my sandwich here and then just rolling this through. This is a pretty detailed die, and so I am going to be poking out a bunch of these little pieces, but it cut really well. Fabric cuts really well with this Sizzix Big Shot, especially if that Heat and Bond Light is already attached to the back. Makes a real wonderful way to do easy appliques. Just taking that backing off and now building those butterflies by putting that black body on each of them. And then it's back to my piece where I'm going to be just scattering some of these flowers and then adding my butterflies. Going to be adding clusters of the flowers. I just felt that looked the best on here, and then kind of arranging them around some of those stains. And once I have everything somewhat the way I want it, I will remove the backing on these and then just taking my iron and ironing them into place. Now for the front, going to keep it really simple, and I'm just going to cut a little bit of this extra piece just so that little edging will be sticking out of the pocket. Turning under the raw edges. And then the long raw edge will be inside the pocket, so I'm not even turning that under. I'm just going to stick it all in there and then stitch that into place as well. I'm at my sewing machine now and I have black thread on. I have my free motion foot on, and I'm going to add some detail to these butterflies. The flower appliques already have a little bit of a black edging. And that's why I've chosen black to circle my butterflies. And I also wanted to draw on the antennas and also the flight pattern. And you'll see it here. It's one thing I love about free motion stitching is you can really add detail to your design just as you stitch. And here you can see I'm just going to do a little doodle there. When you have black fuzz dropping from your sewing machine, that means you should probably clean your sewing machine. And then I'll go to the next little butterfly and do the same with that. Just outline it and then adding the antenna. I've changed my thread now to white, and I'm going to just add stitching to each of these little flowers, just adding a little bit more detail to them. And then I'm just going to do this loopy meander stitch from one of the little designs to the next, or the appliques. And this is also just going to have a quilted look to this linen, and just attaching it to the denim vest. And here you can see I've got those attached, and the backing as well. Love the colors. This is going to make a wonderful summer outfit. And some pictures that I have included at the back side here. I hope you enjoyed this quick little upcycle, everybody. It's just fun to be able to take a few things that you find and just breathe new life into it. I hope you all have a creative week. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.